Hi, everyone. This week for science, you're going to explore the gene scene or genetics. If you open up to this website, Ology website, in the link that I gave you, you're going to come across a choice board. A choice board kind of similar to what we did last week with the skeletal system, but this is a web-based choice board. And if we look right here, this first page gives you all the different resources. But what I want you to do this week is explore the different tabs. If you notice, there's a game tab, a story tab, a hands-on tab, and a video tab. I suggest you visit the video tab first and watch this video, What Makes You You. This gives a nice overview of what genetics mean, talks to you about your cells, chromosomes, DNA, so it's a good place to start. When you're finished with that, going back to the screen, a good place to go next would be to choose one of the stories on the storyboard to read. When you're finished reading, there is an assignment that I'm going to ask you to do. I'll get to that in a minute. If you go to the game link, you'll see that there are 4 different games. Some of them are web-based games. This one right here, you'd have to print out the cards to play. This one right here, you'd also, actually, I'm not sure. This one says you need Flash Drive. Oh no, yeah, Adobe Flash Player is blocked. So I don't know if you'll be able to use that site. DNA Detective is pretty good. And this is just like a little online quiz game. So if you choose to do this, make sure you watch the video beforehand. This last link also offers some really cool experiments. I'm not going to assign a specific activity for you to do because I'm not sure what materials you have at home. Making a DNA model doesn't require a lot of materials. It requires toothpicks, some colored paper, magic markers, string, masking tape. Most of you should have this at home. If you do choose to do a model, I would love to see photos of that. This DNA in a blender is something that I'm going to try myself, but you would definitely need an adult to help you with this. This activity actually will separate DNA from an onion skin, so I think it would be kind of cool to try. I haven't tried it yet, but I plan on doing that, and I'll let you know how it goes. So just to summarize, this week in science, you're going to go to this website. You're going to start by watching the video overview on genetics and DNA. You're going to choose a story to read. You're going to choose a game to play and a hands-on activity to try. After you finish reading your story, you will complete this Google Doc. So the Google Doc is in Google Classroom. You'll choose one of the stories, and after reading it, I'm going to ask you to write the title of the story you chose and a 3 to 5 sentence summary. Remember, the best way I think to summarize information is to start with a main idea sentence and then add some supporting details. So really, it's just what was this mostly about, and give some specific information. Be sure when you're doing this writing, though, that you're using good spelling, capitalization, punctuation. Remember, all of that always counts. So I think you should have fun this week. Let me know how it goes. Bye.